All right, so today we're talking about another proverb. It's a proverb. This proverb on kinji. We're teaching another kinji. This kinji is talking about Ami Mwine senswepo Inoko Ngoma Yami uja. Ami senswepo Inoko Ngoma Yami uja. This just means that you dislike me, yet you dance while I play my drum. You dislike me, yet you dance when I play my drum. And so Ami senswepo Inoko Ngoma Yami uja. This just tell you that that people who in the world, or this just telling you that you don't like me, but yet you follow me, and you getting what I have. So you want my money, but you don't like me. And this can be employer can use that too, because some people go to work, they don't like the employer, but they go because they get the money. So some other people also come to work for you, or some people also live with you or follow you, but they follow you just because you give them something, the money, or anything you're giving to them, but they don't like you. So you can tell them, Ami Mwine senswepo Inoko Ngoma Yami uja. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Ami Mwine or Ami senswepo Inoko Ngoma Yami uja. You dislike me, yet you dance while I play. So we're gonna work on every word of this proverb. We have, for instance, Ami. Ami means I or me. Ami Mwine means myself, or Mwine emphasizes self. Senswepo means you don't like. You don't like, or you don't love. Then we have Inoko means but or yet, and senswepo, I forgot to tell you that for me it means that not. That's the way we say don't like. You don't like means you do not like. It kind of bring that negativity in the sentence. Senswepo means you don't like. So Inoko means bad or yet. Then Ngoma, we spoke about Ngoma many times. By now you know, some people say Ngoma or Noma. That's the way they wrote. You say it's drum or Ngoma. Ngoma, you play the drum. Yami means mine. You can say I must say Yami, not I. Yami means it's mine. Yami means it's mine. Fungulo Yami, it means my keys. And so on. So Yami means it's mine. If somebody wanna take something, say no, it's Yami means it's mine. Yami, mine. Uja means you dance. So that's the proverb we have. That's the kinji we have. Then let's go immediately to the verb in this lukinji, means this proverb. In this lukinji, or in this proverb, Mwine lukinji, in this proverb, the verb Sanswa. That's one of the verb in this proverb. Ami Mwine senswepo. We have Sanswa, and then we have another verb. We have another verb which is kuja. We already talked about that verb. I didn't want to go back to it, but let's just work on the verb Sanswa. It's very, very good verb. Most people love it. And Sanswa, we talk about love. When you love somebody, you say na kuswe. I didn't want to go that way. Kusanswa. Let's just emphasize on the kusanswa. So kusanswa means to love. And the verb love, let's go. We can say na sanswa, I love. Uba Sanswa, you love. No, na sanswa means I love. Wa sanswa means you love. Uba Sanswa, he loves. A little bit more difference this time. And then Tuba Sanswa, we love. Muba Sanswa, you love. And Aba Sanswa, they love. So that's the verb kusanswa. So we could say, for instance, na musanswa, I love him or I love her. Na musanswa, I love her or him. Wa musanswa, you love her or him. Wa musanswa, wa musanswa, I'm telling you that wa musanswa means he love her or he love him. And then tuba musanswa, we love him or her. And then muba musanswa, if you are many of you, muba musanswa, so you love him or you love her. Then I'm telling you that c'est groupe là aba musanswa, which means that they love him or they love her. So that's what we have there. And then we could say, I think there's another form, something we can say then in kusanswa here, which is love. We can say na kusanswa, I love you. I think that's what it goes. Na kusanswa, I love you. And na kusanswa, I love you. Wa musanswa, you love him. And wa musanswa, he love him. Or wa musanswa, wa musanswa, you love him. Wa musanswa, he love him. And then I can call, I change it. Tuba kusanswa means that we love you. Muba musanswa, you love him. Aba kusanswa, they love you. So I had a hard time putting the you in all every place, but what I was examining here is to noticing. I noticed that the pronoun here, if we can call it, it comes before. It doesn't come. It doesn't go. It's a na kusanswa, I love you. The you doesn't go to the end. It comes in front there after I you love. That's why Kiloba goes. I you love. So na kusanswa, I you love, something like that. So it takes practice for you to change the way you conjugate in English, and you need to do it in Kiluba. Na kusanswa, I na kusanswa, I you love. That's what I can say. Na kusanswa means I love you. And it's a tuba kusanswa, we love you. Tuba kusanswa, we love then you. Ku, and then the last one, abakus answa, they love you. So that's the way I will finish this. I think we at some point I'll be working only with verbs. I feel like we have a lot of things to learn in verbs. How to conjugate them is not an easy thing to do. And as we compare the two languages, and how the people who catch it in an easy way. So I think this is enough for a day. So I'm hoping that you caught something in this, and we'll continue next time. God bless you.